Okay, door handle on a 2021 Toyota Corolla rear. Trim panel comes off with a screw behind that panel, two screws behind that access panel, and that one is just held on by friction clips front there, and then that one just has little tabs that hold it in. Then for ease, you're going to want to pull the Torx out of the latch. That's a T30, and that'll drop your latch out of the way so you can access. There's a screw back there. It's a T30 as well, but you want to get off for the gasket. Then you just pry the door panel off. It just has friction clips on it. And then to do the door handle, there's two levers. Old style just had one. You need to get onto both of them and push them forward. Yeah, push them forward, and then that will release the door handle on out. And then you get your gasket off, and then that outer belt molding is always a bastard because it's held in by those clips. And I got it off with the molding clip. There's the part number if you can still read it, but that works wonders for getting those off. So anyway, that's torn down for paint. Hope that helped.